there is finally there is statistic and there is.
Are there any questions?
So you show us this 6 lines, right? Of course, it's very difficult to compute afterwards. But do you have any idea about asymptotics?
What is asymptotic?
Of these numbers, which we cannot see for dimension 7, 8, and so forth. I think they grow very fast, but how?
No, we are going in another way because if you change this short exact sequence, abelian subgroup, maximal abelian subgroup by maximal nilpotent subgroup, so that means you consider almost flat manifold. Almost flat manifolds, they are generalization of this group where you exchange abelian subgroup, maximal abelian subgroup by nilpotent subgroup. But by Gromov it is almost flat, class of almost flat manifolds. And we classify, we have list all 4-dimensional flat, almost flat manifolds without inside.
But it will not be possible to go to dimension 7 and 8, right?
No, we don't know.
So, but at least do you have any idea how it's going to grow?
No.
Maybe because Calabi trick shows.
Yeah, but Calabi trick lost, if we control on this invariant. We try, but maybe it is possible. I don't know. So many open questions.
So tell me please about the philosophy which is behind of replacing as orthogonal group by GLN. What is the philosophy behind of that? This is not just we like to replace. There is a philosophy behind of that.
No, because it is natural generalization of definition of crystallography group for bigger group. So you can consider this because it is Athenian crystallographic group.
These are Athenian.
Athenian crystallography group.
And is there such a nice topic?
Yes, there is.
Developed.
Yeah, there is, but not such. It is much more difficult. But in case not Athenian, but in this nilpotent case, there exists in nilpotent case there exists for any simple connected nilpotent Lie group. You can, because Rn, what is it? It is simple connected abelian Lie group.
Yes.
But simple connected nilpotent Lie group there is much more. And if you can, for any simple connected Lie group, you can compare. There exists Bieber-Bach theorems again, and there is all this story you can repeat. A little more complicated, but it exists. But for solvable case, it is much more difficult.